Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This video is regarding the stray vacancy round for MCC, and I'll give you update about the rules and the current progress, all the issues that candidates are facing and how to resolve it. And we will also talk about how you can secure a clinical seat in the very low score in deemed universities and through state stray vacancy round. The stray vacancy round is always supposed to be a lucky draw, okay? Because in some of the colleges you can do negotiation with the actual tuition fee they are demanding, and based on their seat availability over there and your presence over there, it's all a mix of your luck and your effort and all your budget, all your preparation. You can get a lucky draw in terms of the seat you may get, okay, which you might not have thought that you will get in your score. So you must try, and you try in a right direction, then you must get a full result. Okay, let's get started. And as per the today's notice, those candidates who are eligible, they are eligible to do the choice filling for stray vacancy round also. So those who are eligible and having as per the rules, those who got seat allotted in round 2 or mop-up and joined the seat, they are not eligible. The candidate who do not want to modify or who don't modify the choice filling for choice filling field in mop-up round, the same choice filling will be considered for stray vacancy as per the last notification. And those who want to modify, because this facility of modifying the choices is given this year, and is run time change which was not communicated earlier. Okay, so those candidates who want to change the who want to modify the choice filling, they can modify, and who do not want to participate in stray vacancy round but have done the choice filling in mop-up round, what they need to do, they just need to remove all the options, and the system will not pick them or will ignore them for the allotment process, and no seat will be allotted. Okay, so these are few important things. And let me take you through some insight about the stray vacancy round. These rules are applicable for DNB, diploma, and all India government seats. Okay, but coming to deemed university, each and every institutes conducts their stray round, okay, at institute level. So you need to go there offline, and the ownership of the stray vacancy round is into the hand of the management authority of the college. Okay, so you stand a chance here to do the negotiation in the tuition fee they have mentioned for particular management seat for particular branches in particular college, and depending on their condition or like situation, they may choose to do negotiation also, because no college wants to keep their seat empty, okay, due to any kind of fee issue. The fee is very high. There are many colleges in Karnataka which comes under KEA, Karnataka State Counseling, okay, there the tuition fee is very high, so they will definitely negotiate the tuition fee, and you stand to get a chance to get confirmed seat in the stray vacancy round. So the candidates who got low score or qualified under category, or having 201 plus marks, or have done registration for few states like Karnataka, All India, or whatsoever, they can contact us on 9319128677 for any kind of admission process support, okay, which will be paid. Now I'll tell you there are few issues that is coming on the way. The candidates are encountering those issues when they are going for the choice filling. They are not able to log in, they are not able to edit the choices. So for such issues, you have to immediately report it to MCC. How you can report to MCC? You need to send an email to them, or I would say you said multiple emails, because it requires a lot of effort or so many emails for them to notice some of the issues. So definitely they will extend the timelines for the timelines you can see for the choice filling and choice locking. It started today 10 a.m. for choice filling, and will go on until midnight 11:55 as per survey time. And choice locking will be starting from 4 p.m. in the evening, and will be available up to 11:55 p.m. as on today. Seat allotment will be happening between tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and on 29th you will see the result. But this result is not for deemed university, only for government colleges, DNB and diploma courses. Okay, and reporting last date is 2nd of December. So after 2nd of December nothing going to happen. So this last week you have, okay, more than not more than 6 days is left out for the counseling to complete, and you can you may get a jackpot, okay, out of it, but you have to proceed in right direction, okay, with proper guidance and experience, and which are the colleges where the seat might be left out and all sort of things. Okay, so again I'm repeating, you can contact us or you can send us WhatsApp messages on the number 9319128677. The number is given in the description of the video as well. Okay, thanks for watching, have a great day.